I mean, inflation in the U.S., for those of you that are outside of the U.S. That don't know, has really increased quite a bit over the last 2 to 3 years. Some people are putting that estimate at about 20 to 25%, depending on the commodity. But certainly for things like groceries, the price has gone up. So yeah, you're right, Patrick. 1 to 10% really kind of used to be the standard, but that may not be enough anymore, right? It's hard. It's hard to justify it. Just a 1% or 2% increase. Anybody else having numbers here that jump out at them? One thing that's coming up in my mind is, does the 31% represent a risk of those are the people that you could be losing, right? Because 31% is a lot, but those people are not just going to sit there and do nothing, right? They might decide to move on, right? You could be alienating the people in that 31%. Patrick says, and my impression is that wages have stagnated for a few years now. I'd love to see this report over the past few years. Yeah. I mean, you're on the right track there, Patrick. You should always be concerned with the trend lines, right? We'll see as we get further along. But yeah, I mean, this report, I don't think does trend lines. You'd have to go back to each individual one.